Alright, today I'm going to show you something a little different. I'm going to smoke some salmon. I'm going to do it on my Weber Performer. As you can see, I've had this one for a while. For those who are not familiar, a Weber Performer is a 22-inch Weber kettle. It comes with these indirect baskets here, which is why I'm cooking indirect. I'll move those to the side. I can put my meat down the middle. This also comes with a gas ignition. So it takes one of these green bottles down here, and basically you put your, I'll use these baskets for indirect, but I generally just put my charcoal chimney right directly on top of that burner. Turn the gas on, ignite it, it's got a little igniter here, and it lights your charcoal for you. When you're all done, you put everything back together. Pretty good grill. Had this one for years. I really like it. So it's like I said, it's a 22-inch kettle, so it's got a good amount of cooking space. Obviously, my Traeger is much more fun to cook on, easier, better to maintain, but I love these. So we'll get this over. We're getting this warmed up for salmon right now. Open the vent up, turn it this way. So these Performers also come with the thermometer pre-installed. Nice little work table and charcoal container. Right now I'm using Kingsford charcoal. That's what I've always used, but I did just recently get a sample of Weber briquettes, and you know, they're outstanding. They're good quality product. They're a little bit more expensive than what I can get Kingsford at, but as little as I use this charcoal grill, I may end up switching to Weber briquettes because they do work out. So we'll get this warmed up. I'll bring the salmon out. I'll show you what I'm doing here, and show you how I'm going to cook this salmon, and I'll be back. Alright, we're back. This is what I'm cooking today. These are seafood stuffed salmon fillets. I use a little bit of Traeger pork and poultry rub on it. This happens to be one I have. It's a pretty salty rub. I'm using a saltier rub with this because this filling here is really sweet. So use a little bit of a saltier rub. And I got the Weber going. We're about 375, which we're gonna cook them on direct heat. And I am gonna add some wood just to give it a little bit of that wood flavor. So the good thing about these Traeger, good thing about these Webers is they got these little flip up things here. So that's just a real small piece of wood. Lift this one up, I'll put another real small piece. Sorry about that, and move the camera around. I'll let these start to get lit, start smoking a little bit. Then I will put the salmon on. So, better look at the salmon. Buy these at Sam's. They're about, I think this was $19 for this pack here. Seems expensive. Very good. I mean, such a good flavor in these. The salmon's fresh, not frozen. And then the meat's got the stuffing's got like crab meat, shrimp, some other spices, and it's just a really good. We eat these every time we go to Sam's. We try to get a pack of these. So we made a trip to Sam's yesterday and got some pork chops and some steaks for my son moved into his own apartment, so we got him some food. So anyway, I'm gonna let this smoke start a little bit with that apple wood in there, and then I'm gonna put these on, and they're not gonna take very long to cook. Alright, I can see the smoke starting to come out a little bit. That wood's igniting in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this salmon on. So another good thing about this Weber Performer is it has that lid holder over there. That really helps a lot. We're getting some air in there, so the wood's starting to flame up. So I'm just going to stagger these. Nice indirect heat. Like I said, these are not going to take that long to cook. They are thick pieces of salmon. Close the lid down. Down below here, the air vents. I'm going to go ahead and shut the air vents down just a tad. Keep that temp down. We don't want to get any, you know, high temps. We are cooking directly, so nothing's going to be dripping on the coals. The coals are on each side. And honestly, these will probably go 15-20 minutes. That's it, and they'll be done. So when they're done, I will come back and let you know. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. They got done a lot quicker. We ran about 350 the whole time. You ready? There they are. That golden color on them. Wood's pretty much burned up. I just used some real thin slice of wood, so. Take one of these off. Switch hands here. Should oil the grate a little bit. So I'll take those two off, and then I gotta go get another plate. So that's it. Smoky J's Barbecue out. I'll have another video today posted of me cooking the brisket right behind me here on the Traeger. Any questions, comments, anything you want me to eat? Put them in the comment section below.